Hi guys, here's a bit of an update for you. I am about to start painting the body of the Lamborghini, the Countach that I've been restoring, and what I did here is to show you that I used my micro mesh polishing kit. Here it's a 1800 grit paper, then 4000 and then 8000, and I've used that on these on this side scoop here, and you can see the shine of on the primer. So what I did is I painted I polished the primer so I can get a really nice what do you call finish on the surface when I paint it. It's important for a lot of people to know to get a really good finish you need to polish your paints and primer, and there is a step process that you have to take, which I did took it here, and you can see the shine on the primer, how smooth it is, and now it's almost ready to get painted. Even the surface is very smooth, as you can see, and this is what I was looking for, like a really sophisticated surface on these parts, and on the main body itself. So this is my update for today. I hope you guys like it. Thanks. Bye.